He
Oh.
lives behind these houses. So everywhere you can go, he goes everywhere because he doesn't use any security.
We are in Cascais. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. It's a beautiful town, and our tour guide was telling us like lots of uh, very rich people live over here. It's unreal.
नहीं वो तुम देखो ना वो दिखा रही है हमें तो पता भी ना चलता वो चीज़ दिखाती है ऐसे देखो
So I'm walking a bit. So Cascais is so beautiful. Unbelievable. So beautiful, so beautiful, so beautiful. This is a marina, and then we have a castle somewhere in the back. I'm not going over there at the time. Villa on this wall is looking so nice.